Today, I'm going to show you how to remove vocals from a song in Audacity, step by step, so you can turn any stereo track into a clean instrumental version in just a few minutes. This is a really useful trick if you want karaoke tracks, background music, practice beats, or just an easier way to work with audio. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and import your stereo song. To do that, click File, then go to Import, and then click Audio. Find the song on your computer, select it, and open it. Once your track is loaded, you want to make sure the entire audio is selected. The fastest way to do that is to press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. That will highlight the full track so any effect you apply gets applied to the whole song, not just a small section. Now we're ready for the vocal removal process. At the top of Audacity, click the Effect menu. From there, hover over OpenVINO AI effects and then click Music Separation. This is the feature that uses AI to split your song into different parts. Once the music separation window opens, you'll see a few options. First, look for the Inference Device dropdown. If your computer supports it, select GPU for faster processing. If GPU isn't available, don't worry, just choose CPU and Audacity will still do the job. It may just take a little longer. Next, find the separation mode dropdown and choose 2-stem, which is the option for vocals and instrumental. This setting is important because it tells the AI to separate the singer from the music. In other words, Audacity is trying to create one stem for the vocals and one stem for the backing track. Once those settings are in place, click Apply. Now, Audacity will begin processing the audio, so give it a moment to finish. Depending on the length of your song and the power of your computer, this can take a little bit of time, so just be patient while it works. After the processing is complete, you should see 2 new tracks appear in your project. One will be labeled vocals and the other will be your instrumental track. At this point, you can click the mute button on the track labeled vocals. That will silence the vocal track so you can hear just the music underneath. Then press play and listen to make sure the instrumental sounds the way you want it to. If everything sounds good, you're ready to save it. Go to File, then Export and click Export Audio. Choose your file name, select the format you want, and save the instrumental version to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully removed vocals from a song in Audacity and exported a clean instrumental file. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Audacity tutorials, and drop a comment if you want more audio editing tips in the future.